Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start using Printful for beginners in 2023. So let's start guys with the first thing, which is please make sure to watch this video from now up till the end so you don't miss anything and you don't make any mistake during the process of using this Printful websites. And of course, if you had any problem or error, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. Without any further talking guys, let's get started with this video. So let's go ahead and search for Printful. So here we go. And here click on this website, which is printful.com. So here we go, and here just click on allow all and click on let's go. Now here guys, you can sign up using your Facebook, Google, Apple, or sign up with a normal email. So let's go and start sign up with Google. Here I'm going to choose this email, and now here I am. Now as you can see guys, it's now in the registration process. So let's click here to agree on terms and privacy policy, and here sign up. Here, tell us about yourself. What would you like to do with Printful? Here, I'm just playing around, order custom product for myself, grow my existing online business, or so go on. So you can choose whatever you like from here. So I'm going to do something like that. How many followers, subscribers do you have on your main platform, for example? Something like that. Do you already sell custom merchandise? So no, I don't sell custom merchandise yet. Merchandise, and here, finish. So this is my account. That's how it feels like. This is how it looks like. Now you can here design your first product. How to do so? Click here to design products, and simply now click here to create your first product. So let's click here, and now you have to choose what kind of stuff you like to edit on them. So for example, let's say we like to edit on some men's clothing. I'm going to choose hoodies. So here they are. And now I'm going to pick the color or the style. So let's see. I think I'm going with this one. It's like a jacket and a hoodie at the same time, which looks pretty cool. Or this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this one. So let's go with this. And now let's start making designs and etc. First of all, let's add a design here. So drop your design over here. How to do so? Click on it, then upload a new file. Click on understand and I accept, and let's choose any kind of picture. So I'm going with this one, and here we go. Now let's give it some time. Click on apply, and now it will be applied. So let's give it some time, and here it is. Now this is not a professional image, but you know it does the job. So if you have any kind of logo or anything, it will do the job as well. Now let's try to make it, for example, somewhere around this. Let's make it somewhere around this as well, and let's edit this to be green, kiwi green. So now it's editing like the image itself, so it's became more like a map. Now let's click on continue, and now this is it. So here we should put the name of the hoodie. So let's name it, for example, hoodie tutorial. Here are the colors, so the 3 colors, and here let's add the sizes. So here I want S, medium, large, X large, and 2X large. Here I'm going to add save product templates, and let's click on save. So that is pretty much easier. So now we have actually added our product. Now let's wait a little bit until it fully loads. So let's give it some time. If you'd like to go back and edit it, you can just click over here, and here we go. So here you can make like a logo over here, add a logo in the back, outside label. You can add even like a label outside inside of your shirt. Here you can add something to the left wrist and to the right wrist, so you can edit like the whole hoodie, not only this front side. Of course, you can add some text, you can add clip art, and here you can add quick design from their own designs. As you can see here, they have so many kinds of designs. You can add them as well by your own. So here they are. So now what you can do is mix them together, as you can see, and do some stuff, some kind of a design between our images. Now this is the first thing. Now if I want to products, I can here choose the technique. So there is the DTG printing, And there is the embroidery printing. So here, if I clicked on here, let's apply the same image. And now as you can see, it is more better the image really looks better. And as you can see now, I can put it more wider, like I can put it in the whole chest as I like, and I can put it whatever I'd like. So it's up to me what I want to add it. And if you didn't understand anything from here, you can just view the video of tutorial how to edit everything. Now let's go here and see all of these options that you have in the menu. So here guys, you have my Printful. So if I clicked on here, you will find here some stuff that you might have to do, or your score, like it's a homepage of your accounts. Here you might find your orders. So basically, if there is any order or start a new order, you can just click here, and whenever you have an order in, for example, your store, you just come in here and you can create your order. So that's pretty easy and pretty fast. Here guys, you can see your product templates, so the product that you have chosen and edited. Here the file library, so the images that you have uploaded and added to the store, you will find them in here. Here the stores that you own. So for now we don't have any store, and if you want to create any store or choose any platform to put your store on, here you go. So here there is like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and much more options like Adobe, TikTok, eBay, and yeah, you can do whatever you like. So you just click on choose platform and connect it with your account. So to go to the platform and connect them together. Here's the branding. Here you can see the options, branding presets, and logo maker. So through here you can try and build your own logo fast just by clicking here and choose whatever kind of logos they give you, and from there you can start making your own logo. So here you can just choose, for example, three types of logos. So I'm going with this, and here you just have to start your design and start mixing everything up. So as you can see here, you can see the color, the text over here, and you can start actually making your logo or your image through here instead of like making it in other places. And then from here directly you can add it to your product. So you can make a design in here and make the product with the design that you have created in the same website. Here you will find the billing details from the payment that you will get, the kind of payments, what kind of payment you accept, and of course your payment history. Here the statistic of your shop, your account overall, and here's the warehouse where your inventory is, shipment, pricing, how it works. So here you can see the pricing of your storage. So here we go, the units in centimeters, width, etc. And here you'll find the price. Let's go down here, the partner program if you have any partner. And here, if you'd like to upgrade your account to the premium toolkit, you can get it from here. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you can use the Printful software or website on your own to make your own products and designs on clothes and so much more. So yeah, guys, if you had any problems or errors, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section so I can make a solution for them. And see you guys in the next video.